This recipe is almost frustrating because it's so simple. Guys, I've made this before on my channel, but I'm making it again because of just how basic it is when you need a quick dinner. Look, pasta is fantastic, and if you have leftover meat in the fridge, I highly recommend you try this recipe out because it only takes a few minutes to throw together, and it's absolutely delicious. You know what's up? It's your boy Saucy Rossi. Hit that button, like, and subscribe. This recipe is too easy. All right, I took my frying pan by the rock. I'm just throwing it on my induction cooktop. I'm going to go ahead and saute down some onions and a little bit of garlic. We're going to start by just throwing in this red onion. As you can see here, it's all nice and sliced up. That minced garlic that we've diced up, and a little salt and pepper. And we're going to let this kind of cook down. You want it to start getting a little bit translucent, nothing too crazy. If you're not new to the channel, you know I'm wang jangling this around. And if you are new to the channel, well, wang jangling is one of those styles I love integrating into all my recipes. The perfect way to mix stuff together. And we're going in with a Boursin cheese today, guys. This big old block is really what's going to make this entire recipe so simple and straightforward. This is not a sponsored video. This is nothing to do with Boursin. I'm just super impressed and half frustrated that I can make this delicious of a meal because of this little cheesy block thing. I don't even know. I think this is cheese. I think is what you consider it. It's like a soft cheese. Anyway, we're going to go in with some roasted garlic and onion, just some tomato sauce in there. And this is going to be absolutely delicious, guys. Mixing this together, about half that jar with that Boursin cheese, and it becomes this creamy, velvety, smooth sauce that's absolutely to die for. Guys, I really enjoy pasta. I really enjoy cooking, but I said this is frustrating. I'm pretty much done the recipe here. That was it. It's the Boursin cheese, those little veggies that I threw in. You could throw in a lot of other veggies if you wanted. Go in with whatever protein you wanted. You could use chicken, pork, beef. Honestly, even if you had seafood, it'd probably still be delicious. Man, oh man. I can't emphasize this enough, guys. Like, just watching this again, I'm kind of getting frustrated again because of how basic this recipe is and how delicious it turned out. Like, I spend a lot of time and effort on some of my recipes, and this came out more flavorful and delicious. I'm not really sure what to say here. Like I said twice or three times already, I'm a bit frustrated with this recipe. It's weird. It's a weird experience, right? Just pulling together something that's absolutely delicious and it takes less than 10 minutes. Man, what a weird experience, but it's 2026. This is the world we live in, I guess. Oh, but anyway, we're going to throw in some noodles after we throw in our protein. We're going to make sure to fully coat and incorporate everything, like the noodles, the chicken. Make sure everything's fully coated. But just stirring it is going to be great. And then plate it up. That's all. Like, how simple and frustrating of a recipe is this? Like, what, 5 ingredients? No, maybe 6. Noodles, chicken. We got the sauces. So that's Boursin cheese and tomato sauce, onion, garlic, and then salt and pepper. If you want to include salt and pepper, 8 ingredients total. Like, that's insane, guys. For something this delicious, I can't believe it. I'm blown away. Make sure you like and subscribe if you liked this recipe video. I'm always out posting stuff. If you want to comment below on a recipe you'd love to see, I would love that. Anyway, take care, stay safe. Make sure you like and subscribe, and until next time.